put it off my list of things here.
I was by my sister, and we for the morning about 7 o'clock we start hearing the wind. It's something that I never experienced before. And when we see all the houses start blowing and coming down, flattening, then after about 9 o'clock I come home, and when I see the mess and so I hear everything full of water.
Yeah, it wasn't that easy. This is really a bad experience for me because all I could do was cry. You know, but then I see the other houses over here, the roofs going and good thing I had Elvis with me, and he helped me clean up and stuff like that and move around things. But the main thing, I have life.
The experience I experienced was real rough because I could hear the wind howling and booming, but I still didn't give up. I still stand put. The top started to come to pieces and things like that there, but I stayed with me and camp.
But it actually like started, you could hear it cracking because the
rate?
Yeah, like actually hear it cracking from on top of there. You know, you hear it slowly cracking.